When creating a new Farmax file or updating an existing one, it may be necessary to add new components to the tree view of your farm system. A Farmax farm is comprised of blocks, enterprises and mobs. To add a new block to your farm, right-click on your farm name, then select New Block. A new block will appear with a default name, and a pop-out table allows you to adjust the area of all your blocks on your farm to match the predetermined total farm area. To add a new enterprise to your farm, you will also right-click on the farm name, then select New Enterprise, then choose the appropriate species type from the list. An enterprise is a group of one or more mobs, such as sheep breeding or beef finishing. To add a new mob, right-click on the enterprise heading, then select New Mob and choose the mob type you would like within this enterprise. Blocks, enterprises and mobs can all be renamed by right-clicking on their name and then selecting Rename. These components of a farm system can be created, deleted, edited, or renamed at any stage through the season to ensure your Farmax files remain an accurate reflection of what's happening on farm.